Hey guys, it's Drea. So I have my Project Pan collab update for you. This is the Forgotten Loves collab. So this is where myself and 4 other YouTubers here have gotten together and we are collabing to do a Project Pan on products that we love but don't get enough use out of. So it's kind of forcing us to love them the way we should or give them some more attention, get some more use out of these products that we really love but for whatever reason we're not really touching that often. Okay, so I have 5 products here to update you on. The first one is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. So this one is, excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. This one is too dark for me. Which is why I'm only using it in the outer part of my brow. So from about here out is where I'm using it, and it's slow going because of that, because I'm not using it, you know, in my entire brow. So you can see the top line is where we started. This is after 1 month of use, and that's where we are now. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot here left anyways, which is good. So I'm pretty sure based on that month that by the next month when this project ends, I should be able to have this completely finished, which is my goal. So that is going really well. The Mercier Caviar Stick in Moonlight. This actually broke, and I think it only broke yesterday because I've noticed now, like I can hear it clicking around, and it did actually come out yesterday. So I'm not going to hold it up on the page, but I did measure it, but I want to just show you. Okay, so that's it where we are all rolled up right there. This is kind of very slow going because it's very pigmented. A lot, you know, a little goes a long, long way. And I don't know, I just feel like I should be further than I am, but still I'm getting good use out of it. I love this color. So I started just using it on its own, and to be honest, you guys know me, like I get tired of repetition. So what I've started doing now is using it as a base under similar colors. So like today I'm using it, but I put a NARS shadow on top of it. Very similar in tone, but you know, I want to be able to use it up more, but not only have this color on my lids, if that makes sense. So there you go. Let me show you on the paper. So it's this middle one here. The top line is a month ago, and then that bottom line is today. And then I have this Colourpop Lippie sticks in Frida. I believe this is a limited edition shade. I don't think you can get it anymore. This was the Coffee Break with Danny collab from a few years ago, but it's still going well. Like it's still creamy and it works perfectly well. So I have been using this a lot. I sometimes just line my lips with it. I sometimes use it as a base for other lipsticks, which is what I did today. So I have NARS Bridget over top of it, and this was all underneath. And I have quite a good amount of progress on this one. So as you can see, the top line is a month ago, and then that is today. So this one has probably the most use out of any of these pencil products. So the next is this Physicians Formula highlighter. This is called the Shimmer Strips All-in-One Custom Nude Palette for Face and Eyes in the shade Natural Nude. So as I said in my intro, which by the way I will link below, I know I didn't say that if you missed it, I'm only using the lighter side. So as you can see, this is like, it has blocks of different colors and you can mix them, you can dip into one or the other, you can use it as eyeshadow for that reason, etc. But I'm only using this lighter side as my highlight, and I don't really have a goal for this other than I just want to use it more, and I feel like I have been using it more, and kind of I want to just like wear down the pattern completely. You can definitely still see some of the bows on the lighter side of the palette, and ultimately I would like to not be able to see them at all. That's kind of my goal. And again, I am getting a little bit tired of this. I mean, these are Forgotten Loves products, so you should love them and not get tired of them, but that's just my personality. Like I like to do different stuff all the time. So what I've started doing, actually just starting today, I decided I'm going to start mixing this with other highlighters. So like today I'm wearing it, but I put on the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustla Baby on top of it. Whereas this Physicians Formula one is very kind of white and very bright. This is much more golden, so mixing them together I think works a lot better on my skin. Sometimes this can come off a little too bright on me, just depending on I don't know, my look that day, I'm not really sure. But anyways, I'm still getting some good use out of it though, so we'll see how I end up. And then this product is probably my favorite progress because this is my eyeshadow, the Essence eyeshadow in Snowflake. This is completely broken, like this is over with, this lid. When we started this project, there was a big dip in it, but there was no pan showing. And now you can see we got a whole lot of pan there. And I'm very, very happy with the progress on this one. So I only use this as my inner corner highlight, which is why the pan is so like condensed. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. It's right in one spot. It's not all over because I'm just taking a small brush, dipping it in, and then applying it to the inner corner of my eyes, which is what I did today. And it's like the best eyeshadow for brightening your inner corner. It's really amazing. Now, I know a lot of you have said, and I agree, you could definitely use this as a highlighter, but because I have like a highlighter in this project already, and also because this is very, very stark white and very light, it doesn't really work on my skin as a highlighter. But if you're very fair, I could definitely see this working for you as a highlighter, and it's only like $1.99 or $2.99, I'm not even sure, but it's like super, super cheap from the drugstore. This is one of my favorite like brightening eyeshadow products ever made. It's so incredible. So this makes me very happy. So this is our 1 month update. A month from now, we will have our finale. I'm going to list all the girls in this collab down below in the description bar. We have Elle, we have Alex, we have Lauren, we have Jana, and we have Cherish. Wait, did I say before there were 4? Well, whatever. There's 6 of us total because there's me too. But I will list all of them down below in the description bar. And please go check them out. If you like Project Pan videos, you'll get a lot of panning all at one time. But also they just make really, really amazing content on all of their channels. They're all very smart women, like very, very interesting, and they put out really great content, very creative people. So definitely go check them out if you haven't yet. But that is it for my video today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.